So tell me about the film, Yonatin.
So this film originated as my NYU thesis film. It's a short 12-minute film. We shot mostly here in New York, some in Connecticut, and it's a dark drama about a scientist who, when he hits sort of rock bottom with his life's work, has to find a creative way to not give up on it and has to make some tough choices along the way.
And this is your Northeast premiere.
Yeah, we're excited to be here at the Soho Film Fest. I was here before once as a film editor, and now as a director, so it's a lot of fun. It's a great festival.
Excellent. What about you, Laura? Are you excited to be here?
Yeah, it's very excited to have this film showcase here because the film really talks about what actually a lot of artists deal with, having their artistry affect their personal life. And it doesn't matter if you're a scientist, an artist, or a teacher. If you are passionate about your profession, sometimes it will come on the effect of your personal life. So it's wonderful to work with a director like Yonatin who talks about the personal and your professions.
Beautiful. So guys, congratulations.
Thank
and
you.
break a leg on the
Much.
film and the future of the film and on future projects. We are here with the director and star of Leecher, screening now at Soho International Film Festival.
Check it out. It's going to be public online soon. So yeah.
Yes. Do you want to say the website?
You can check out my website, which is www.yonatinweinstein.com, and the link should be up there live within a few weeks. So yeah.
Congratulations. Thank you. Ciao.